Welcome to LeBron Reviews, where we bring you the hottest and most effective products to elevate your fitness journey. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools for a great home workout, a top-rated, tangle-free jump rope designed for everyone. First up, this jump rope uses a tangle-free ball bearing system. That means smoother, faster rotations with zero interruptions, even at high speeds. The adjustable steel cable lets you set the perfect length, making it ideal for all ages, whether you're a beginner or an experienced jumper. With soft foam-coated handles, this jump rope gives you a secure grip so you can jump longer without hand fatigue. Jumping rope isn't just for kids. It's one of the fastest ways to burn calories, improve coordination, and enhance cardio health. For weight loss and stamina, this is a go-to workout tool. New to jumping rope? Start by finding a rhythm, adjusting the length, and using a smooth surface. With consistency, you'll see amazing results. This jump rope has smooth rotation, adjustable length, and a comfortable grip. Just be mindful to use it on a smooth surface to keep it in top condition. Ready to add this fantastic tool to your fitness routine? Click the link below to get yours and start jumping your way to a fitter you. Thanks for watching LeBron Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more top fitness and tech insights.